This week we've got Icon SBCs and exchanges coming back, so as a result, let's go through the investments we're going to make this weekend. So just before the video does start, a quick little ad on a trading service I offer over on Twitch for the cheapest trading guides out there for just £4, €4, all free with Amazon Prime. You'll receive daily trading and investing guides covering PlayStation, Xbox and PC with an array of methods covering all budgets. And I've been trading for over 10 years, making over 100 million in multiple different FIFAs, and now for the last 4 years I've made 10 million coins in just the first month. So this week we've got a bunch of SBCs coming over this weekend with the start of Team of the Season. So in today's video what we're going to be doing is we are going to be talking about the investments to go and make with the start of Team of the Season. Now, there's a few relevant SBCs that we're going to be covering, those of which are going to be exchange SBCs. We're going to talk about the potential chance of there being a guaranteed live Team of the Season SBC, just like how we've had guaranteed Team of the Season SBCs in previous years. And then we're also going to talk briefly about, I guess, the Icon and Hero SBC. So one of the main investments that we're going to be going for this weekend is actually going to come from the 89 exchange SBC. Now, currently these are expiring at 6 PM today. But reliable leakers have said they are refreshing. Well, what's the relevance of the 89 exchange SBC? Well, the relevance of the 89 exchange SBC is it's generally the most interesting upgrade SBC you can do. For example, we've got ourselves like League SBCs, we've got ourselves, like relatively plebby upgrades. But in terms of a repeatable upgrade SBC that gives the most interesting things, we are looking at the 89 because again it surpasses these gold upgrades which just aren't very interesting and surpasses the League SBCs. Well, as a result of people wanting to go and do this 89 exchange SBC, what's going to be needed? 89s. Now, on Friday, so the day you're watching this video, a lot of people should have saved up the rewards. And because a lot of people should have saved up the rewards, what we're likely to see is we are likely to see a lot of packs being opened at 6 PM today, and we're likely to see fodder crash. These cards, so these 89 should be minimum rebounding all the way through to Sunday before 6 PM. Now, if they are needed for the Icon SBC, that'll do really well because, again, you already have cards that are starting to get quite rare because they're putting upgrade SBCs, but then they should get even rarer. On the other hand, if the Icon, or we for some reason don't get Hero SBC on this Sunday, then what will happen is they'll go down. So EA drop a guaranteed Team of Season for every Team of Season. We can see like the minor ones there, the Eredivisie. We can see the more major one there with the Team of Season most consistent. Community, sorry. We can see right here, they're going to drop it for the Premier League. Now, it's a little bit awkward because, of course, it's a little bit different. So if we look at the Eredivisie, what were the requirements for the Eredivisie? All they wanted was an 84 rated squad. Not bad. The one thing I would say this year is high rated fodder is cheaper this year. So kind of like this year's 85s is last year's 84s. This year's 86s is last year's 85s because everything is just, again, high rated fodder is cheaper this year. So we can see there that it needed an 84 rated squad. If we head over to the community Team of the Season, what it required is it required an 84 rated squad but with a Team of the Season. Now there is an outside chance that EA will require a live Team of the Season card, but I don't think it's likely. And the reason I don't think it's likely is because, of course, when they required a Team of the Season card, it was when obviously the Eredivisie Team of Seasons were in packs and the most consistent Team of Seasons were in packs. Now, unless they're going to release that, that amount of Team of the Seasons, but as the live Team Season, so for example, if they drop like 20 to 25 live Team of Season cards, I think there's a much higher chance of them requiring that. But because there's unlikely they do that, and as a result, again, we'd have significantly less Team of the Season live cards this year than we would have had Team of the Seasons. I think there's a lower chance of them requiring Team of the Seasons, and a higher chance of them just requiring, I don't know, like an 85 rated, an 86 rated, an 87 rated squad. Obviously, we don't know the price of these Team of the Season live cards to try and work out what on earth EA is going to go for, but this is another pretty major SBC that I'd say that EA could go and require fodder for. Now, what are we going to go and buy for it? Now, in my opinion, I think you just want to be buying 85s. I don't think there's fodder that's better value for money than 85s. And the reason for that is because tonight 84s are going to go back to being discard, but 85s would generally be about 2.5k tonight. And I don't see 84s rising off of 1.2k if 85s are 2.5k, unless the squad is 84 rated or below. And that's about it. So the other investment, other than going and buying 89s, is going to be buying 85s. And again, we're going to be looking for the same sort of thing, looking to pick them up for around about 2.5k through to maybe 2.8k after around about 10 minutes to 30 minutes after 6 PM today. And if they don't go down to, I'd say, minimum 2.8k, which is what they did go down to yesterday at Division Rival Awards, then I'd be maybe waiting till about 10 PM because that's normally our cheapest time on the Friday. Regarding this stuff, I'd go and sell it after the Wednesday 6 PM content. The reason we sell it after Wednesday 6 PM content is because Thursday we get Division Rival Awards. That crashes the price of fodder. So Wednesday's the latest we can go before it kind of crashes because of Division Rival Awards. And that's about it really. Just you're going to go and buy your fodder after Division Rival Award, lightning rounds or after the first 10-30 minutes today, and then we're going to go and sell it before 6 PM, after 6 PM on Wednesday before the Thursday drop of fodder. And that's about that. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys tomorrow with a brand new video.